A warm welcome to our viewers from around the world. We are glad you could join us for our latest exciting new product announcement. As the world makes progress toward ending the coronavirus pandemic, we wish all of you good health and new beginnings. The global mission of Hyundai Motor Group is progress for humanity, and we gear all our efforts to that purpose. Hyundai exists to do the right thing for humanity. As part of that mission, Hyundai is transforming itself from an auto manufacturer into a provider of smart mobility solutions. We are researching, developing, and investing in the latest technologies that will transform the ways people interact with transportation, elevating the quality of life. Humanity's future mobility needs demand smart, clean, connected technologies along with integrated solutions that are sustainable from the ground up. This requires a bold, broad vision to imagine what the future of mobility will look like. And Hyundai has that vision, along with the creativity, resources, and will to make it a reality. Last year, we elaborated on our vision for future cities, including urban air mobility solutions, purpose-built vehicles for ground transport, and the centralized hub which seamlessly connects people to their destinations. We are advancing our robotics agenda to fuel progress in smart factories and autonomous vehicles, including the Tiger X1, an unmanned transport that could help humans in hostile environments over many different kinds of terrain. With regard to our efforts in electrification, we continue to improve internal combustion engine technology, but we are deeply committed to maintaining leadership in electrified vehicles. And Hyundai Motor Group is well on its way toward achieving its goal of producing 1 million EVs by 2025. To support this vision, we have introduced the new Ioniq sub-brand. The brand employs Hyundai's exciting electrified global modular platform to deliver a 300-mile range and ultra-fast charging, along with innovative new interior designs. Our first model from the Ioniq sub-brand is the Ioniq 5 subcompact SUV that will arrive in showrooms this fall. We will introduce the Ioniq 6 sedan next year and the Ioniq 7 three-row mid-size SUV in 2024. By the year 2040, we will fully electrify Hyundai's vehicle lineup and produce between 8 and 10% of the automobiles for the global EV market. At the same time, Hyundai is accelerating its hydrogen ecosystem initiative. Today, we offer the Nexo hydrogen fuel cell SUV that delivers up to 380 miles on a single tank, can be fueled in 5 minutes, and has zero emissions. To further showcase the unlimited scalability of hydrogen, the Exient heavy-duty truck will be sold in the United States in the near future. We are further advancing our fuel cell technology and even expanding fuel cell applications beyond vehicles, such as ships, trains, forklifts, and aircraft. Hydrogen technology shows tremendous promise to revolutionize mobility and help humanity solve its most pressing environmental challenges. At Hyundai, we have sought progress and defied convention since the beginning in our products as well as our approach to the market, all in the service of our customers. They guide all our efforts and they judge our success. So I'm pleased to introduce you to a new vehicle that is built precisely to appeal to today's busy, always connected customers. Not surprisingly, it is a vehicle that completely shatters convention. Designed in California and proudly built in America at our plant in Montgomery, Alabama, the Santa Cruz is something entirely new in the market, a vehicle that creates a whole new automobile category, the Sport Adventure Vehicle. Ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the first ever Hyundai Santa Cruz and the customers we designed it for.
first ever Hyundai Santa Cruz is a whole new way to get around. A vehicle constructed by contrast to meet the needs of today's busy, hyper-connected customers. It's neither a truck nor an SUV. As Jose said, it's an entirely new category of vehicle. Santa Cruz is the world's first sport adventure vehicle, ready to tackle the outdoors, but beautifully designed for life in the city. The category-defining Santa Cruz is based on the new Tucson platform and brings a unique personality to an already diverse Hyundai lineup. The exterior combines muscular volumes with precision-cut edges to establish a striking aesthetic that sets it apart from anything else in the marketplace. We created a bold front end for Santa Cruz, anchored by our iconic Cascade grille. We hid Hyundai's signature daytime running lights within the grille's parametric jewels. Only visible when lit, the DRLs create a presence all their own. From the side, Santa Cruz is sportier than any open bed vehicle on the road. By increasing the width of the platform, we were able to establish robust fender volumes that plant the vehicle on its 20-inch alloy wheels to enhance its style and road dynamics. In the back, we use horizontal, T-shaped taillights to define and accentuate the open bed. We embossed the lamps with Designed in California, our team's statement of pride in this groundbreaking new concept. Our young, California-based team of designers was passionate about creating a vehicle to meet the needs of busy, connected customers, a super diverse group of innovators and thrill seekers just like us, who want to explore new places and gather new experiences. Customers like us want a multi-purpose vehicle that can do it all without compromise. We want versatility for sure, but we also want comfort and roominess. Santa Cruz delivers on both counts. It's big enough for your friends or family and all their stuff. It's nimble and quick to negotiate city traffic, but compact enough to fit into a garage. Grab a parking space that's way too tight for a typical truck, or sneak into a perfectly secluded campsite way off the beaten path. Santa Cruz is the sport adventure vehicle that's rugged yet refined, ready for work and play, for life in the city and trips out of town on a moment's notice, plus a whole lot more.
The Santa Cruz was designed to be a solid choice for those who want versatility and adventure, along with the comfortable, refined ride you get with unibody construction. But there's a lot more inside. Let me show you. The modern interior draws you in, and the dual cockpit design wraps around you and puts you in full command with a host of infotainment and connectivity features to enhance your active lifestyle. The center stack has a standard 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Outstanding smartphone integration. There is even a larger 10.25-inch cluster and touchscreen navigation that's available. It is the perfect way to negotiate city streets or get you onto your next adventure. While you're on that road trip, you're also equipped with a Bose premium sound system, while your phone wirelessly charges. For extra convenience, Android smartphone owners can use Hyundai's digital key app to remotely lock and unlock the Santa Cruz or start the engine. Digital key will remember your personalized settings, so you're always ready to go. We want to make sure that you have relevant technology. We incorporate the right features to help get you through your day and onto your next experience. You add all that to the functionality of a bed you can toss things into, and you are ready for anything. Like one customer said, this vehicle makes me want to be active, seek adventure, and just have healthy, good for me fun.
Beyond all the adventure-ready conveniences we built into the new Santa Cruz, customers will find a million uses for its multifunctional rear bed. It puts secure, lockable storage right at hand for things you don't want to leave in plain sight. With or without its lockable tonneau cover, Santa Cruz is the perfect hauler for trips, moving, hobbies, work, entertainment, whatever. This versatile open bed is the perfect place to store tall stuff, valuable stuff, dirty stuff, anything.
you're hauling or where you're headed. Whether you're grinding your way through city streets or headed out of town for a little self-care, you will need a capable powertrain. Santa Cruz has two. You have an efficient direct injection engine coupled with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. It delivers over 190 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque for fast acceleration and excellent fuel economy. Or the 2.5-liter turbo. We match over 275 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with paddle shifters for a truly engaging experience behind the wheel. Both capable powertrains are available with Hyundai's H-Track all-wheel drive system to take you where you need to go. H-Track all-wheel drive gives you 3 selectable traction modes for confident control when the roads get slick or the going gets tough. H-Track all-wheel drive is also the perfect complement for customers who have things to tow around town or on a road trip. And in addition to that capability, we equipped Santa Cruz with Hyundai's Smart Sense safety suite to keep you and all road users out of harm's way. We want you on your adventure, but we also want you safe. So we made forward collision avoidance assist standard on Santa Cruz. We added rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist. To help you notice things lurking in your blind spot, we offer blind spot view monitor and a surround view monitor to help you avoid close encounters of a dangerous kind. The Santa Cruz also has a must-have for long trips, highway driving assist, to help keep you in your lane, at speed, at a safe following distance from traffic ahead, as you should be. One of the most comprehensive suites of safety and driver assist features available today. A suite usually available only on luxury vehicles. We are democratizing and prioritizing safety for more people than ever before.
We're super passionate about the new Santa Cruz. It was a huge thrill for our team to bring it to our customers. Constructed by contrast, Santa Cruz is the perfect partner for weekend adventures and everything you do at home. It's functional for work and play, big enough for you, your friends, and all your stuff, yet maneuverable to get you wherever you need to go, safely and in style. There's nothing else like it in the market. Hyundai's first ever sport adventure vehicle, designed in California, the new Santa Cruz.
As you just saw, the category-defining Santa Cruz sets a whole new standard in adventure. Proudly built in America, our first-ever sports adventure vehicle is designed for active and engaged people like those you met. Like the other exciting new models we brought you in the last 6 months. Models that defy convention and set new standards in design, engineering, and value, Santa Cruz is a perfect example of our relentless focus on customers. We think those customers are going to love the new Santa Cruz, and we can't wait to bring it to market. It goes on sale in showrooms and online this summer. I want to thank you for joining us for the global reveal of the first ever Santa Cruz. If you would like more information about it or any product in our growing lineup, please visit Hyundai.com and be sure to keep checking back with us. We have more exciting new product announcements coming up in the very near future. Until then, from all of us at Hyundai, we wish you good health, safe travels, and a productive year.